bought this truck, it ran good, but when I get on it real hard, it was like the lifters or valve, something in there was rattling a little bit. And it got worse and worse. It's 351, by the way. And last few times I drove it, it was rattling just about the whole time I was driving it. So I got on YouTube and Google, and I read some similar threads about it, and they suggested spark knock and reducing the timing, setting the timing back a little. Well, I did have problems with it being idled up high, so I turned the timing back just a little bit, and it completely cured it. I had it on the interstate yesterday, 65, 70 mile an hour, nothing. I was pulling that old heat back air up hills, nothing. So if you got some rattling and engine noise when you underload and at high speed, try and set your timing back just a little and see what happens. Certainly seemed to work good for me on this issue.